Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to part 2 of my Clean With Me marathon. Now today I will be deep cleaning the oven and also cleaning out my refrigerator. So if you guys are interested in watching me tackle these huge messes, then definitely stay tuned. And also if you're not subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe. And if you like these types of videos, then give it a big thumbs up. All right, as always, let's get cleaning. Okay, you guys, so we are going to start with the biggest task first, and that is going to be deep cleaning my oven. And I just find that when I do the bigger tasks first, it makes it super easier to do the smaller tasks afterwards. And I am so embarrassed, you guys. I'm embarrassed of how this oven looks. This has to be about 2 years of just cooked on food, grease, and grime. And honestly, it's just kind of one of those situations. It never burned when I used the oven, so it was kind of like an out of sight, out of mind type of thing. But that's okay. We are going to get that clean today. And also in this video, I'm not going to be doing as much talking because I'm getting over COVID, but I definitely wanted you guys to see the process. Okay, so I know that they have specific oven cleaning products, but usually those products have a really harsh smell to them. So I thought to just try the Dawn dishwash power spray and to see how that worked, because it works really well on other things that has baked on food. So why not the oven, and the smell is a lot more pleasant. So this is what everything looks like after it has had time to sit for about 30 minutes, and some of the product actually dried up. So what I'm going to do is go in with this warm water and vinegar mix and just spray it all over the oven. So now that we've finished with the oven, we are next going to move on to the refrigerator. And thankfully the refrigerator is not as dirty as the oven was. Now don't get me wrong, it still is a mess, but I feel like it's more cluttered than anything, and most of all of the stuff we are going to just get rid of. Now I do want to let you guys know to just disregard the pots and pans. I don't normally do that, but if I'm going to bed like super late at night, sometimes I will go ahead and put them in the refrigerator. But like I said, we are just going to go through all of these items. Most of them are expired or just old, and so I'm just going to throw all of this stuff away. Okay guys, so I am officially done cleaning up my oven and also in my refrigerator. Now it's time to go grocery shopping because I literally have nothing else to eat. But I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you like these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up and also become part of my family and go ahead and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.